Welcome to Tinkernut.com's videocast. For requests, please submit those at Tinkernut.com. Today, in honor of April Fool's Day, I'm going to show you how to do some computer pranks. And I'm going to show you 4 different ones that you can pull on your friends. First one is going to be a mouse prank. Just open up the control panel in Vista or XP and find the mouse settings. And in the mouse settings, you can do things such as switch the buttons from left to right, so that instead of left clicking they'll have to right click. You can change the speed, and you can also change the mouse icon. Just go to the pointers tab and select any image. If you don't like what you see here, you can also click browse and choose pretty much any image you want. The next thing is going to be network pranks. To do this in Vista, go to in run command, type in CMD, right click on it, select run as administrator. In XP, just go to start run and type in CMD. And then what you want to do is you want to go and see who all's on your network. And you can do this just by going to your network icon and seeing the computers in there, or for most places you can type in 192.168.1 and then another number, and you'll be able to pull up different computers. It just depends on your network. As you can see, 3, 4, and 5 are computers on my network. So what you want to do is in XP you want to type in netsend. In Vista you want to type in MSG, and then you can type in either the computer's name or that IP address that we found, and then the computer's name, and then just type in the message that you want to send, and it will send that computer a message. It'll just pop up on their screen like this. So that's pretty cool. If you want more information on that, just do a Google search for MSG or netsend. You can also type in shutdown-I in both XP and Vista, and it will bring up this dialog box. Then you can click add to add a computer and then type in that IP address. And what this is going to do is it's going to shut down their computer, whatever IP address you typed in. You can even add your own message and then click OK, and it's going to shut their computer down. This is going to shut down in 30 seconds because that's what the timer was set at. Alright, the next thing you can do is what I call ghost typing. You can create a new text file and just type in the text here. This is in the comments, and type in, this is going to open up Notepad. You want to type in wshshell.SendKeys, and then you can send to the Notepad whatever you want typed. If you want to give the impression of it actually doing some typing, you can do wscript.Sleep, and then it will pause, and then it will type something else, whatever you want here. And you can just continue that method until it types out the full sentence that you want. And this is what the finished product looks like. And then what you want to do is you want to save it as a VBS file. So select all files and then type in a name for this file. I'll just put text, and then make sure it ends in .vbs, and this is going to save it as a VBS file. So now when you double click on it, it's going to open up Notepad, and it's going to start typing out your message, and it's going to look as if a ghost is doing it. If you want this to automatically start, you can, in Vista or XP, find the startup file, startup folder, and then just copy it into the computer startup folder. And it will automatically start up whenever the computer starts up. Another thing that you can do is just have one of their popular shortcuts point to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this to the C drive, and then I'm going to change this Firefox icon to point to the C drive and then point to that file. So it's going to be c:/text.vbs, and then click apply and OK, and now whenever you double click on the file, the shortcut, it's going to open up Notepad and start the whole process again. Alright, the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to create this annoying pop-up that never stops popping up. So just create another TextPad file like we did before, and just type in this script, and then basically it's just going to be message box and then whatever you want. But what we're going to do is we're going to just copy and paste this so it makes multiple pop-ups, and then the last one here is going to loop the pop-up over and over again so that it never stops. So just save this as document or something .vbs. Make sure it's .vbs, and then when you execute it, it's going to start all these pop-ups, and then the last pop-up is just going to continue forever. Now, if you don't want it to continue forever, if you accidentally do it on yourself, just hit Control-Alt-Delete, go to Programs, and end this program. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. For more, go to Tinkernut.com.